Question. Greg had stated that the coating on the Sea-Doo cylinder walls were as good as the Yamaha and Kawasaki steel cylinders. I don't recall you saying that. Isn't a coated cylinder more prone to peeling under high heat?
Mm-hmm. So the steel cylinder is going to be far superior for durability reasons. Of course, high heat conditions, the coating on the Sea-Doo cylinder walls is going to fail, and you're going to have to either re-sleeve the block and put steel cylinders in it, or get a new short block. That's the only option there. But the only way you're going to get it hot enough to do that is if you, one, run it out of water for an extended period of time, which will happen on any ski, and two is if you blow a coolant line, which is actually, or has been very common in the past, which is actually something that's been addressed on the 325. They're using different hose clamps and a different procedure to put the coolant lines on. So Sea-Doo has been listening, or Rotax has been listening and paying attention. And so this issue should be eliminated going further on the 325, which you don't run your ski out of water, and you don't blow a coolant line on an old 300, or you won't on a 325, and you don't have any issues with it. Now, if you are to blow a coolant line on an older 300, the best thing to do is to pull the lanyard as soon as the overheat alarm sounds and get towed in, and that's your only hopes of saving it. If you continue to run it, you're going to have engine damage. On top of the cylinder walls, you're risking a warped cylinder head, so you're shooting yourself in the foot. So check your coolant lines on the 300, and if one does blow off, be mindful and pull the lanyard and get towed in.
Question in regards to that. Would you recommend changing out your clamps, your hose clamps?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. One of the first things I do, because I've had two brand new Sea-Doos since 2018. Both of them have blown the exact same coolant line. So I tell everybody the first thing you do before you even stick it in the water is to check the hose clamps, and if they're loose, replace them with a worm gear style. Get rid of the Oetker ones because they're not tight enough from the factory. So you do that, you won't have any issues with it. But unfortunately, not everybody knows this, and that's where issues do occur.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.